Snowy Mountain. I love weed.
Turn right.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, this is awesome. Right.
Oh my god.
Look at that. I'm trying just to lighten it up so you can see your face.
The waterfall, I think. Here, we have a little house in town.
Oh,
This is not ready to be lived in yet.
I see what you're saying. Okay.
So I did everything you see.
Wow.
Every single surface. Wow. An elevator, look down all 3 floors if I ever build a thing. Deal with the plans. They said it just, it's too complicated. So I said, okay, I'll build a model and you can go by that. So I did. I built a model of the whole thing. And they took the measurements to a 1/4 inch equals a foot. Everything in the model is actually to scale.
Oh.
And then I had it here in the house, and a bear got in before I had this door and destroyed it.
So this was a
Didn't like the design. I don't know. Yeah, that I did Defend of the Crown on is sitting in there.
All right.
These big speaker boxes there on the other side of the screen. And cold,
Yeah,
so it heats and air conditions. And then it flows down into the lot with underground 5 feet down where it's always 59 degrees.
Yeah, wow.
So it'll heat and cool
Yeah.
just for the price of the electricity. So I flew to Commodore headquarters in Westchester, Pennsylvania, and grabbed one of the executives, and I had a copy of my Saucer Attack game, which looked pretty professional. I had nice packaging and stuff. On the basis of that, they gave me developer status on the Amiga. I still had to buy one. They didn't give me an Amiga, but they gave me all of the tools that RJ and all the Dale Luck and everybody had written in order to allow people to program on the Amiga. And went home and immediately started doing graphics that neither I or anybody else had ever seen before.
I saw Defend of the Crown. It was, as I remember it, a full colour spread of the castle scene with the catapult of Defend of the Crown, and it blew my socks off. It was a complete game changer. To see something so beautiful, so artistic, and almost photographic from a computer was something that I had never seen before. And my mind was made up that I obviously needed an Amiga.
Defend of the Crown was the scenario was written by Kellenbeck, and he approached Bob Jacob, who was a producer at the time, with the idea of doing one of the first Amiga games as a cinematic game based on the movie Ivanhoe. I'll be building a computer museum in my office. In the second story of my office, there's a platform that will have a Commodore 64 running those games and several Amigas. I still have the original Amiga 1000 that I did all the graphics for Defend of the Crown on, and it still works fine. And it's all the monitors and everything that go with it. I've got CD32s, I've got CD-TVs, I've got Amiga 4000, Amiga 2000s, just everything. And so those will be lined up with all of their monitors running in my little computer museum. So I can, anytime I want a bit of nostalgia, I can just go up to the second story and take a look at that.